The business world was rocked by swirling rumors that Elon Musk might be preparing to shift Tesla's massive investments away from its home base in the United States. Instead, the electric vehicle giant seemed to be eyeing the rapidly growing BRICS nations, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, as its next frontier. This wasn't just idle speculation. It was a bold, calculated move that sent shockwaves through Wall Street and the halls of power in Washington, D.C. Years of mounting tension with U.S. regulators, political figures, and a maze of bureaucracy had pushed Musk to seriously consider forging new alliances with emerging markets like India, Brazil, and China, countries hungry for innovation and investment. The idea was simple but powerful. Partner with nations eager for rapid economic growth and less bogged down by the red tape and regulatory hurdles that often stifle progress in the U.S. But was Musk truly ready to leave the country that made Tesla a household name? Or was this a high-stakes negotiation tactic designed to pressure the U.S. government into offering better terms? Supporters hailed the move as visionary and forward-thinking. Critics, however, saw it as a form of corporate blackmail, especially considering Tesla's long history of support from American taxpayers and government incentives. The stakes couldn't be higher. Thousands of American jobs, the nation's leadership in cutting-edge technology, and the very future of global innovation itself were all on the line. The debate forced a national reckoning. Was the United States still the best place for radical innovation and entrepreneurship? Or was it now driving its brightest minds and most ambitious companies away to friendlier shores? Musk's threat wasn't just about business. It was a direct challenge to the very idea of American technological supremacy and the country's role as a global leader. The world watched with bated breath as Tesla's next move became a dramatic test of national loyalty versus global ambition, and a symbol of the shifting balance of economic power. The question now loomed larger than ever. Would the U.S. adapt to keep its innovators at home? Or would Tesla truly make a historic pivot to the BRICS, changing the future of the global auto industry forever? Elon Musk's relationship with the U.S. government is a mix of dependence and open conflict. His companies, SpaceX and Tesla, are vital to national interests, yet Musk is a fierce critic of government inefficiency. His advisory role in government raised alarms about conflicts of interest. Could he separate public duty from private gain? Critics feared Musk might shape policy to benefit his own empire, eroding public trust. His combative style and history of clashing with regulators only heightened concerns. The paradox: Musk is both a key reformer and one of the government's loudest critics. This uneasy alliance is fraught with potential and distrust, making every decision a political flashpoint. The stakes: can innovation and regulation coexist? Or will their clash define the future of American industry? Tesla's remarkable rise is deeply rooted in American support. Its story is inseparable from the nation that nurtured it from the very beginning. Billions in government subsidies, low-interest loans, and generous tax credits fueled Tesla's early growth, providing the crucial lifeline it needed to survive and thrive. A pivotal $465 million Department of Energy loan in 2010 helped launch the groundbreaking Model S and ultimately saved Tesla from the brink of bankruptcy, changing the company's fate forever. Federal and state incentives made Teslas more affordable for everyday Americans, spurring demand and helping electric vehicles become mainstream. Meanwhile, states across the country competed fiercely to host Tesla's factories, offering lucrative deals and incentives to attract the company's investment and jobs. This massive public investment is why Musk's threat to relocate Tesla operations feels like a deep betrayal to many Americans who believed in the company's promise. The United States took a significant risk on Tesla. Now, as the company stands as a global powerhouse, the idea of moving jobs and innovation abroad stings even more. Musk's unique dual role as both a powerful policy influencer and a major beneficiary of government support blurs ethical lines and raises tough questions. The question remains: does corporate loyalty to country still exist when global opportunity and profit beckon from every corner of the world? Tesla's deep financial ties to the U.S. government and taxpayers form the backdrop for every strategic move Musk makes on the world stage, shaping the company's identity. The drama isn't just about business, it's about the evolving social contract between innovation, national identity, and the responsibilities that come with success. As Tesla eyes new international partners and opportunities, the debate over loyalty, ambition, and the true cost of global expansion only intensifies. As US tensions grew, Musk looked to India, a market of immense potential but daunting barriers. India's steep import tariffs make Teslas unaffordable unless Musk commits to local manufacturing. Prime Minister Modi's message, build a Gigafactory in India, or no deal on tariffs. For India, it's about jobs and building a domestic EV industry. For Musk, it's about testing demand before investing billions. The standoff: Tesla wants to sell first. India insists on building first. Despite the impasse, Tesla has started hiring in India, signaling serious intent. The negotiations are more than business. They're a high-wire act balancing Indian demands, US scrutiny, and Tesla's global ambitions. Every step is watched by politicians and investors on both sides of the world. The outcome could redefine Tesla's future and India's place in the EV revolution. Tesla's ambitions in India have placed Elon Musk at the crossroads of two powerful nationalist agendas: Trump's America First and Modi's Make in India. As Tesla eyes expansion, the company finds itself navigating a complex web of political expectations and economic interests from both sides. Former President Trump has made it clear he wants American jobs and factories to remain on US soil. Any move by a major company like Tesla to shift production or investment abroad is seen as a direct threat to American workers, sparking criticism and political backlash. On the other hand, Prime Minister Modi views a Tesla Gigafactory in India as a powerful symbol of the country's economic rise. For India, attracting Tesla is not just about cars. It's about boosting local industry, creating jobs, and showcasing India as a global manufacturing hub. Elon Musk now faces a significant geopolitical dilemma. Should he appease India and risk backlash from the US, or prioritize American interests and potentially lose access to one of the world's fastest-growing markets? The stakes are high, and every decision is scrutinized. This isn't just a matter of logistics or business strategy. It's a real-world test of globalization versus the resurgence of national interests. The outcome could influence how companies operate internationally for years to come. Tesla's goal is to be a truly global company, but to do so, it must skillfully navigate the powerful political forces and competing priorities of the world's largest democracies. This clash between globalization and nationalism highlights that even in today's interconnected world, national politics and local interests still have the power to shape the destiny of international business. The decision Musk makes won't just impact Tesla, it will set a precedent for how future global tech giants balance competing demands from different nations and navigate the shifting landscape of international business. The world is watching closely. Can a company truly serve two masters, or will it ultimately be forced to choose a side in this new era of economic nationalism? Tesla's talks with India are moving from speculation to action. Hiring has begun, and a deal framework is emerging. India's demand is clear: tariff cuts only if Tesla builds a gigafactory and shares technology. For India, it's about self-reliance and building a future industry. For Musk, it's about unlocking a vast new market. The US watches warily, determined to protect American jobs. The challenge: craft a deal that satisfies India, doesn't provoke US outrage, and secures Tesla's growth. It's a diplomatic balancing act, business, politics, and national pride all at stake. The outcome will set the tone for future global manufacturing deals. Success requires compromise, vision, and a deft touch on the world stage. Amid global negotiations, Tesla is preparing its boldest innovation yet: the robotaxi. This fully autonomous ride-hailing network could transform Tesla from a car maker to a mobility service giant. The first rollout in Austin, Texas, will be cautious. Safety and data collection come first. If successful, robotaxi could turn every Tesla into an income-generating asset, not just a car. Musk sees autonomy as the key to unlocking trillions in value and reshaping the industry. The robotaxi is more than a product. It's Tesla's ultimate play for dominance in AI and transportation. Its success could force the entire auto industry to adapt or fall behind. The stakes, nothing less than the future of mobility itself. Tesla's global expansion and robotaxi ambitions are two sides of the same strategy: total industry disruption. By entering new markets and pioneering autonomy, Tesla aims to dominate both manufacturing and mobility services. If robotaxi succeeds, legacy automakers may have to license Tesla's tech or risk obsolescence. The traditional model of car ownership could vanish, replaced by on-demand, self-driving fleets. This shift would force automakers to become service providers, not just manufacturers. Tesla's moves are accelerating the industry's evolution, pushing competitors to rethink everything. The Austin robotaxi launch is a pivotal test. Success could reshape transportation for decades. Tesla isn't just building cars, it's building the future of how we move. Tesla's BRICS pivot, U.S. tensions, and push for autonomy reveal a new era of global business. Innovation is no longer tied to one nation. Success means navigating a web of competing interests and shifting alliances. Is Tesla still American, or is it a transnational force loyal only to its mission? The story highlights the need for smarter public-private partnerships, balancing innovation, accountability, and public good. The challenge: adapt, negotiate, and lead in a world where business, technology, and politics are inseparable. Tesla's journey is a test case for the future of global tech giants. The world is watching. Can Musk balance vision with diplomacy in a turbulent new age?